Oh, that's no good.
Within Airsoft, safety does actually need to be the #1 priority. So, starting with our eyes, what are some of the best ways to protect them? And what are the less ideal ways? We'd like to start by saying that we didn't add mesh goggles to this lineup because, well, that would just make the industry think that players actually want those things. They simply don't work, and they can actually cause BBs to fragment and then pass through the holes in the mesh, and that's just no good. We'll be firing 3 shots at each of the sets today with the ASG L96 bolt-action sniper rifle. It fires over 450 feet per second average with 0.2 gram BBs, giving it about 2 joules of power. This isn't anything crazy high powered, but it's right under the common 2.2 joule limit for semi-automatic marksman rifles. We'll be starting with the Pyramex V2G Plus thermal airsoft goggles, which come in at around $35 Canadian. These are a good economical choice that will protect your eyes confidently. They also offer great heat dissipation to keep fogging to a minimum, which is a great plus for us airsofters. This is the actual pair that I wear, and they've been tested many times in the past, sometimes against my will. As predicted though,
Beautiful. That's what we expect.
he's performed wonderfully, so let's quickly run through all the basic safety glasses we have.
The good old tried, tested, and true Grandpa's safety glasses. As you can see, they did pretty well. If they're not too old, they'll do all right, but what they will do is mark up, and that's an issue you don't want.
No surprises there, as long as the glasses have an adequate impact rating, then they should do just fine, especially when they're designed for airsoft. One drawback of glasses is that depending on the design, they can actually have gaps around the edges, so if you look from just the right angle, they offer no protection at all, so keep that in mind when considering a pair for yourself.
Oh man. All right, well, it's time. It's time. Oh, that's no good. That's one lens gone. That's the second lens gone.
Well, as you probably knew already, sunglasses from the dollar store aren't going to cut it on the field, so do yourself a favor and take safety seriously. And maybe even one-up the whole glasses game by getting a full face mask. But what are the limits of the safety glasses that survive today? Sure, they survive 2 joules of energy, but what if we literally turn things up to 11? Head over to this video here to find out. Thanks for watching today. Class is dismissed.